Dear student, as we have completed the syllabus of grammar, today I am going to send you this paper. And in this paper, according to this paper style also there for the coming paper. Means for the final exam or the second semester exam 2021, the paper style will be as it is of April 2019. So this is one model paper you can consider. It was the previous paper of April 2019, and you can even consider that it is a paper style which I am going to send you. So there will be no separate paper style apart from this. Means the same one only. Question 1, then identify the adjectives and write what kind of adjective they are. Okay. Like then question B, question A, C, same will be there. And for your convenience, as we are not going to meet face to face togetherly, here I have written the page number also. From on which page in the page this exercise is there. Okay, there may be little difference between the instruction. Here identify written, they may have written there underline the follow, underline the adjective. And where it is identify, that means we have to pick out. Now here I am going to explain you how to write down the answer. See student, you are going to get 2.5 hours for 80 marks paper. And though it is online exam, you may have to write exam at home, because according to the situation now what is created, in that reference I would like to say that the exam may be online. You may going to get the paper at home and you have to write down. But before you start writing the paper, concentrate well, take all the things which is needful to you together with you. Okay, the writing material, pad, then on the paper in which you are writing the answer, and then sit at one place as you are writing the exam in the school. And be very careful that you are writing the exam. You are not mere simply writing anything. So try to write the exam in a very proper way. Because many of you are writing answer writing, no, there is a not of at all of that class. Okay, तुम एक बार ये सोच लो कि ये तुम जब एग्जाम लिख रहे हो तो तुम अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ द हु इज देयर गोइंग टू चेक द पेपर. चेकर के सामने तुम आते हो, तो तुम जिस तरह से अपना पेपर लिखते हो उस तरह से चेकर पर तुम्हारा इंप्रेशन पड़ता है कि तुम किस तरह के बच्चे हो. If you are writing all the things very neatly, nicely, the checker will be impressed by you. Okay, so be very careful that you are writing the paper. You are not only writing the answer, you are expressing yourself. So please be positive while writing the exam. Don't write for sake of writing only. Okay, so here now I am going to explain how you have to write the answer in answer book. So question number 1A, you have to write this only, question number 1A. Now instruction read properly, that identify the adjectives and write what kind of adjective they are. That means you have to pick out the adjective from here. For example, a tall man ran to my car and shouted, "Turn around, the road ahead is blocked." You may say that here the adjective is tall and it is adjectives of quality. Okay, you have to write tall, then adjectives of quality likewise. Then exercise question 1B, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjective given in the bracket. Here you may write only answer, where the fill in the blanks is there, you may write only answer. That funny is there, then you may write funniest or whatever the answer is, answering word. Question number 1C is for change the degree of comparison as directed without changing the meaning of these sentences. Here you have to write answer properly. Okay, question not but answer, and while you are writing only answer, give the question number correctly. Means question number 1C, answer number 1, Sachin is the best batsman in the world, change into comparative. Then we can say no other batsman in the world is better than, comparative is there, so better than Sachin. Okay. Question number 2A, fill in the blanks with the suitable determiners. Here also you may write only answer, but to fill in the blanks is there. Keep space while writing the answer. Means एक determiner लिखा, then put comma and for the next one. Okay, there is no need to write enter sentence. You may write only answer for fill in the blanks. Then B, correct the following sentence. Here you have to write full sentence as answer. Okay, whatever the correction is there needful, that you have to make. For example, there are not much left-handed people in our group. Then you can say that here much is not proper because it is comes with the people, and people is countable. So there are left-handed people. So there are not many left-handed people in our group. That will be the answer. Answers I have already sent you. So follow that things. How I have sent you answer, write answer as it is. Then make the sentence with if and then could and would. These answers also I have sent. Identify the linking verb and their complements. Here identify means pick out. Here you have to pick out the linking verb. The sky turned crimson and gold. Then pick out that. What you have to pick out? Linking verb. Linking verb is turn. Okay. Pick out linking verb turn. Likewise. And then write its complements in front of it. Then question number, that's 3A, join the sentence using appropriate coordinate. You have to join the sentence, means you have to write another sentence as answer. Don't put anywhere. Many of you are writing very carelessly that tomorrow is a holiday, you must finish your homework today. Then many of you are writing only since you are going to write, and then other you are not writing. You have to write entire sentence as answer. Since tomorrow is a holiday, you must finish your homework today. Likewise. Okay. Then question number 3B, fill in the blanks with the appropriate correlative conjunction. Again same thing, you have to write only answer for the blanks. Then identify the main clause and the subordinate clause. Here again identify is there. You have to pick out the clause. When we were in Mumbai, we always walked to school. Then when we were in Mumbai, this is what? A clause. And then in front of that you have to write whether it is a main clause or subordinate clause. Okay. Identify the main clause and subordinate clause. Here you have to say which is main clause. Write down the clause and then write whether it is a main clause or it is a subordinate clause. Then in D, identify the subordinate clause and write whether it is noun clause or an adjective clause. Then here you have to pick out the subordinate clause. We saw a movie that I had seen before. That I had seen before is a subordinate clause, and you have to say what type of clause it is, whether it is a noun clause or adjective clause. Exercise is there on page number 3. Refer all the things. If examiner would like to ask from the text, he or she can ask from the text also. Question number 4, fill in the blanks with the correct tense form of simple past or past perfect. Again simple tense, fill in the blanks is there. You may write only answer. Then do as directed. Here you have to write answer properly. Okay. Then question number 4C, fill in the blanks with the correct tense form of simple present or simple future. The same thing you have to do. Write proper answer for the blanks only. No need to write entire sentence. Then again identify the relative clause and its antecedent. Then you have to pick out the relative clause. This is the best play that I have ever seen. Then that I have ever seen is the relative clause, and you have to say what is antecedent of this relative clause. Write very separately relative clause. First pick out and then write its antecedent in front of it. Okay. Then rewrite the following sentences into indirect speech. Here also you have to write answer very properly. Okay. There are many exercises there in this chapter, and examiner would ask from anywhere. Here page number is written. You can see 164, 1 to 164. Whatever the sentences are there in the exercise, they can ask for. Then add the suffixes for the following words to form adjective. Here you can do one thing. Either you write direct answer or you may write questioning word also. Child and then childish. Okay. You may write questioning word and answering word in front of it, or you may write only answering word. If you are going to write only answering word, be very careful. Give question answer number correctly appropriate with the question number. Then choose from the idioms given in the bracket to complete the statement. Here you may write the idioms. This same way the exam in the question paper, the questions will be there. You have to choose the correct idioms given in the bracket, and you have to write. Either you may write entire sentence, or you may write only the appropriate idioms for one. For example, we must dash before we decided on a venue for the party. Then what it will be, proper idioms will be wild goose chase, white elephant, deliver the goods, explore our avenues, or black sheep. Then here we must explore all avenues is the answer. You may write like this: we must explore all avenues before we decided on a venue for the party. Or you may write only answering idiom. Then punctuate the following sentence. Here you have to rewrite the sentence again with proper punctuation mark, and where capital letter needed, capital letter, comma, semicolon, whatever is there, answer I have sent you. Okay? And there is also many question exercises there. Here only 194 page number written. That may be by mistake. There may be many exercises there. From that exercise, from any exercise, the questions can be asked. So you please solve all the exercise properly. Then for D, identify whether the word is British or American and give its equivalent in the another variety. Then here, for example, lift is there. Now, lift is a word. You have to say whether it is British or American. So first you have to write lift, then you have to write British or American, and then if it is British or American, then you have to write answer for it. That is, lift is a British, and what is the American word for lift is elevator. Okay? Flashlight. You have to say British or American first, then what is equivalent meaning you have to write for the another. If the word is in British, you have to give American another word, or if the word is American, you have to give British word. Then write an essay. Two essay I have given, and third is for Holi, which is very easy for you. So any one essay can be asked from there. Now here read the following passage and answer the question. Here this time the passage will be unseen passage, not a seen passage. Means not from the textbook, it may be from the other way. Okay, you have to read the paragraph and you have to write the answer. Then letter writing. 4 letters are there. Very easy one. I have already sent you 2 for the example, and rest 2 you may write by yourself. Anyone will be going to ask you. Diary entry depend on any topic, as I told in the class also many times. Then construct a story from the outline given below. There also outlines are there. I have sent even stories also in the first sem. So in this term I am not going to send you any of things. Whatever sent in the first term, the questions may be from there. So you may write down by yourself, study well, and this is how you have to write your paper. And while you are writing the paper, be positive minded. You think that here I am going to write answers, and for this answer I am going to get the mark. Let my handwriting must be good enough, and so that my impression will be good, because your paper will bring you in front of us. So please write down the paper nicely and thoroughly. So here I have given you almost all the things from my side, all the answers of all the exercises, essay I given, letters I given, and also now I have given you paper style. This is the paper style also. What are the main questions is the paper style, and how to write answer, that also I guided you. You listen to the video first and then अटेम्प्ट दिस पेपर फॉर वन टाइम। ये जो पेपर मैं भेज रहा हूँ उसका एक अटेम्प्ट आप लिखो, ताकि आपको पता चले कि आप किस तरह से आपको आंसर लिखने का है। इन इवन दो इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट, यू मे कॉल मी, आई कैन, so in the according to your problem I will solve the questions. Okay, so here now from my part all the things regarding 8th standard grammar I have sent it to you. Please study thoroughly well then. Don't go outside. In the next time, in the next period, I am going to send you one more video explaining how to write answer of 8th Sanskrit with one previous paper like this. I will send you, so that paper will be for practice to you, and this is also for practice to you. I am sending you. Okay student, till the time, goodbye, thank you.